Okay, so the Thanos bust is printed and sanded. It's ready for primer. And we'll see how it goes with the primer. Very hard to get into all the details and sand them out. I think it came out pretty good though. Pretty smooth to the touch in most spots. And after I prime it, I'm going to be able to feel and see a few more areas. I'll probably have to go back and just touch up, sand them out a little more, and maybe a little more primer. I don't want to go too crazy with the primer because I don't want to lose the detail in the model. But this is going to be all airbrushed when it's complete. So I thought I'd show you the 3D printed part of it right now. Sanded and ready to go for primer. So I'll probably do another shot, a quick shot of the primer before it goes to paint, and then obviously when it's complete you'll see the completed painted version. Alright, Thanos is primed, sanded, ready for paint. So I think it came out pretty good. Very smooth. A lot of nooks and crannies trying to sand this thing out. But I think he's going to be worth it, I hope. It's a nice print. I think it's about 10 inches tall, 10.5 inches tall. It's a good sized bust. And next time you see this, it's gonna be all painted. All right, it's the final product, all painted. Nothing left to do but put it on a shelf. Came out pretty good. Held on to a lot of the detail in the print. It's got the gold armor. With some blue metallic in there as well. And of course, Thanos is got kind of a purple skin. And that's what happens, I think, when you're evil. Anyway, it came out good. It's going to go on the shelf. And be an addition to my collection. I did wind up doing the Hulk. I still gotta tweak him a little bit. I might put a video up on him. He came out pretty good. So the Star-Lord helmet is complete, which I'll be putting up a video on that pretty soon. I haven't done the eyes yet. I'd like to make the eyes glow red like his real helmet does. So I'm working on that, and when it's done, I'll put up another video. All right, Falcon out.